Most people, they aren't failing because they have the wrong plan. They're failing because they have too many of the plans. And nobody talks about that. If you have been watching my videos for a while now and nothing has really changed in your life, it's not because you do not know enough. It's because there is one plan you're still holding on to, which should have been already gone. Most people don't mess up because they choose the wrong strategy. They mess up because they refuse to let go of the old one. I'm not here to hype you up. I'm here to make you decide. Here is something people don't like to admit. Having too many plans doesn't make you safer. It slows you down. Plan A, Plan B, a secondary plan, a backup option, a side idea, something you'll pivot to later. It all sounds responsible, but over time, it cuts urgency. Because when things don't work, you always have somewhere else to escape to. And escaping feels like progress, but it isn't. After 30, 35, 40, 45, having options stops becoming your advantage, turns into avoidance. Time isn't generous anymore. Mistakes stack up faster, and recovery takes longer than it used to when you were in your 20s. So if you're still keeping exits open everywhere, that's not a strategy. That's fear. I want to talk about three plans. One of these, I'm sure, is yours. First one, I'm still figuring things out. This sounds harmless. Most of the times, it sounds honest. But after a certain point, figuring out isn't exploration, it's a delay. You don't need more clarity right now. You just need is commitment. Clarity comes later, after you move, not before you move. If you're waiting to feel ready, you're running out of the clock. This plan has to go. I'll fix everything together. I'll fix my career, health, money, relationships, confidence, anything and everything which is hampering my growth. I'll fix everything all together, all at once. That never works. Rebuilding later in life isn't about a big transformation. It's about stopping the damage first. You don't upgrade your whole life. You stabilize it bit by bit. One plan at a time, one system at a time, one number you track, one thing you do daily, whether you feel like doing it or not. Anything more than that just creates noise. This plan also has to go. Third one, this is just temporary. This phase is just temporary. Everything, whatever is happening to me right now is temporary. This will go away. This one is sneaky. You tell yourself this phase won't last. I'll take it seriously later. I just need to get through this part right now, today. But when you treat something as temporary, you never build it properly. You start cutting corners. You stay inconsistent. You avoid the structure which is required to build that one particular thing you want to. And before you know it, temporary becomes permanent. If this is your reality right now, stop pretending it's a phase. Build it. Build it like you're staying forever. The fantasy version of later, that needs to die. Let me be very clear with you. Killing a plan it is not emotional. It is practical. It means deleting the backup idea which you already have, which made you on a safer ground. It means stopping the stories you tell yourself about exits and escapes. It means saying no to things that split your focus. One plan, one direction, one system you repeat on a good day and a bad day as well. Not because it is exciting, but because it is doable. Because you are sticking to one particular thing that is your plan. People think freedom comes from having options. Later in life, freedom comes from limits, limiting yourself, fewer choices, more movement. If a plan only works when you feel motivated, it's broken already. If it depends on your mood, it won't last. The plans that you survive and bring relatable and notice to how you feel, that's not inspiring, but it works. And working beats dreaming. So tonight, do not add anything new. Don't research. Don't redesign your life. Just move and remove that one plan. And tomorrow, act like the one you left with is the only option you have. Because rebuilding doesn't start with hope, it starts with cutting things away. And the reason most people never really get stable in life is because they never decide what has to exit first.